Shalom and you're welcome to my channel. In this particular video, I'll be showing and teaching you how you can upload your app to UpToDown. Alright, so UpToDown is a Google Play Store alternative. Alright, so if you are looking for places where you can send your apps in order to get more users and download, you want to increase the reach of your apps, you can try publishing it on UpToDown. So if you want to publish your app on UpToDown, first of all, you go into the description. I'll post the link in the description, and then you create an account to sign up. So after creating an account to sign up, what you do is you tap on add new app. All right, you go to add new app. All right, so after you tap on the add new app, you can upload the APK of your app manually, or you can use a URL, which is a direct download link. So the app I'm going to be uploading is a game app that I built. All right, a game app, and I'm going to post the link here. I'll use a link to upload it, and then when you're done, you tap on upload. So you just wait for some few minutes, or some few minutes, and then after that it would finish the upload. All right, so if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, as you would be getting notifications of more useful content like this from me. All right, and if this isn't your first time in my channel and you've already subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate that. Give this video a like or a thumb up if you find it useful. Okay, all right, so the app is done downloading. So yeah, when the app is done downloading, it will bring you to this page. Before we proceed, I would like you to take notice of this. So UpToDown has publications criteria which your app would have to meet. So if you are also planning to publish your app on UpToDown, you have to first make sure you take your time and go through all of this to see whether your app that you want to publish meets that criteria. So if you've done going through all of it and your app meets the criteria, then you know that you are good to go. All right, yes. So after we are done uploading it, it will bring us to this page. Okay, it will bring us to this page. So when it brings us to this page, it basically fills in everything itself based on the APK that you uploaded. So what you now do now is that if your app contains ads, you select that. If there is parental guidance, you also select that. But then since this is a gaming app and publishing, almost everybody can play that because technically it's for children. Yes. So then you input the developer name. Okay, the developer name. Yeah, the name of the developer of the app. All right. So when you're done, then you tap on save. Sorry, you have to select the category your app falls in. So under games, there are various type of games over here. So you select the one that your app falls within. So mine is more of an arcade style of game app. So yeah, so if you want to restrict your app from certain countries, you can also do that. All right, so when you're done, then you tap on save. Okay, so when that is done, then you now move to the screenshot section. Okay, so with the screenshot section, you have to get the screenshots of your app. All right, so I'm going to use these ones. Okay, I'm going to use these ones. Select them, and then we add them. Okay, yes. So unlike certain type of apps that are there, with this one, there really isn't a specific resolution for the screenshots. However, there is a specific resolution for the feature image that your app would have you have to check. But then uploading a feature image isn't compulsory. So if you can't do that, then you can skip it. However, for those that would want to do that, okay, what you can do is that you can go to this website, imageresizer.com, okay, and then you select the image that you want to use as the feature image, and then you resize it to the required resolution that they are asking for. So let me just, so the required resolution is 1024 times 500. All right, yeah. So when it's done, when the image is done uploading to the site, you just turn off the lock aspect ratio 1024, and then 500, and then I like to make the background feel transparent, and then you export. So when you export, then you download the image, and then you can now upload it as a feature image. All right, so we are done uploading our feature image. So when you are done with that, then you now come to the description. All right, so for the description, first you have to give in the short description, multiple farm games in one app. All right, yeah, and then so that's for the short description. So for the long description, I really don't like using typing it myself. I like to use AI. I mean, AI does very well in doing that for me. Okay, so generate a long, I tell AI to generate a long description for me from this, and then I give it the name of the app. I've been doing this with AI for quite some time, so just by saying this, AI already knows what I'm asking for. All right, so AI is going to do exactly what I want for me, and then when that's done, all I do is I just copy this, and then I paste it there. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it over here. And so when that's that, then you tap on save the English description. So when the English description, when you've saved it, okay, you've checked everything out, you've reviewed it and all of those kind of stuff, and you've realized that okay, so everything is on point. It's exactly how you want it. And yeah, when you have done all of that, you can now do it, submit for review. Okay. So yes, their review doesn't take all that long, but then you just have to exercise more patience. This is the part where you need to have a little bit of patience. Yes, so like I said, if this video was helpful to you, make sure you like it. All right. So those I've had a lot of people that I have trained in app development and all of those stuffs. I've already taught people how to upload their app to UpToDown in my app development course. And then some people ask concerning their monetization. Okay, so I've not really tried it yet because of things like this. Sometimes the sites won't be responding and all of that. But then if you would like to try it, you can also give it a try. They also run app campaigns, and I've also not tried that yet. Okay, but then if you would like to, you can give it a try. However, app monetization works. That's where you now place ads in an app and earn from it. If you don't know how to, if you don't know how to develop an app, or you don't have an app, you can go into the description. My contact is there. You can just direct message me, and then you can sign up for my app development course. It is a very rich course that is from zero to hero. You wouldn't need any other course concerning app development after that course. It teaches you everything you need to know, and then everything. I literally do it whilst teaching it. It is not theory, fully practical, down to it. Yes. So that's basically it. Thank you for staying throughout this tutorial, and then I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video as my subscriber. If you have any issues or you have any concern, you can just let me know in the comment section, and then I promise to address the issue or reply your comments for you. Thank you and bye bye.